Hello everyone, welcome to Alan Cooking. Today I will be sharing with you a very simple, crispy enoki mushroom. And we will be using a simple ingredients. First of all, we will cut enoki mushroom into tiny slices from the bottom of the enoki. This to make the enoki easy to be crispy while frying. After cutting the enoki, we arrange the enoki in the different plate. And then next we break 3 eggs, put in 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, dash of salt, and a half teaspoon of chicken stock. Then we mix them well. Then put the egg mixture into a wider plate to make it easier to dip the enoki. Next we put 5 tablespoons of topioka flour in the white plate. We soak the enoki in the egg solution and then coat it with topioka flour. We soak all the enoki until finished. Heat the pan in the medium heat. Put in the enoki and fry them until golden brown. It will be 2 until 3 minutes. Then we flip them. We turn it over and we cook it for 2 until 3 minutes and drain it. Alright, the crispy enoki mushroom is done and ready for your lunch snack. We serve the enoki with the tomato sauce or mayonnaise. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoy our video. Click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.